In this video, I'll guide you through how to set a billing limit on Google Cloud. Whether you're managing a project for work or simply keeping an eye on your personal expenses, setting a billing limit can be a crucial step in ensuring you don't exceed your budget. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the billing section of your Google Cloud console. This is your main hub for all things related to your account charges and financial management. If you're not already logged in, make sure you sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll find the billing option on the left-hand navigation menu. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can view your account's financial overview, including any past invoices and current charges. Now, let's move on to the budgets and alerts section. Look for this option within the billing menu. This section is where you can create and manage budgets for your projects. It's a powerful tool that allows you to monitor your spending and set up notifications to alert you if you're approaching your predefined limits. By setting up a budget, you can receive alerts via email to help you stay on top of your expenses. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Budget button. This will open a new form where you can specify the details of your budget. Here, you can choose which project or set of projects you want to apply this budget to, and you can define the scope of what the budget will cover. This is particularly useful if you have multiple projects running and you want to keep an eye on each one individually. Once you've decided on the scope, it's time to set your amount limit. Enter the maximum amount you're willing to spend under this budget. Keep in mind that this limit is crucial for managing your costs effectively. You'll also have the option to set up alerts at different spending thresholds, which means you can get notified when you reach, say, 50% or 90% of your budget. These alerts can help you take proactive measures to adjust your resource usage or reevaluate your spending to avoid going over budget. Finally, after you've set your amount limit and configured your alerts, remember to save your settings. It's easy to overlook this step, but saving ensures that your new budget and alert configurations are active and ready to work for you. Once saved, your budget will be enforced and you'll start receiving alerts based on the thresholds you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully set a billing limit on Google Cloud. By following these steps, you're taking an important step towards smarter financial management within your cloud projects. This simple guide will show you how to keep your expenses in check, giving you more control over your cloud resources and peace of mind. Remember, staying informed and proactive about your spending helps in avoiding unexpected charges and ensures your projects run smoothly within your financial plans. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.